Hey guys, this is Simple Hunter, and today is Introduction EdgedDice apps version 2.3.10, the latest version. And yep, today we are not challenging anything that might not have any action, but we will introduce the apps and the functioning inside the apps and help you to understand how the apps work actually. So let's get into it. Let's open the apps. Yep, so we are in the apps and let's see that everything's that I will try to explain. Right, I just explained from the first on the top here. You can see yep, here you will see the version 2.3.10. So every time you must make sure that you are the latest version, so you won't miss out anything important. And secondly, you can see this timer is moving because the timer will give you a free credits, so the timer will keep on moving until the full bar and they will stop actually. So the max actually stands for the max credit of the free credit you will have. That means I have 2800, so every time I must get until 2800, then the credit will stop and the timer will stop. And the other side, this one is the paid credits. That means you need to purchase from the apps and you will get the credit from here. Alright, so go on. This one actually is yep, my name Simple Hunter, but that is not the ID I'm using. This is the display name, so that will be displayed to everybody, but this is not my ID and people cannot use this as the ID because most of you know that with the spacebar doesn't accept from the ID actually. So this is a display name only. And the second column we will see M88. This is the game profile. That means which game you're going to play, then that is the profile you have to put it in. I will show you how to set it up on the next game. Not the next game. I will teach you how to set it on the next screen later, but I will to explain everything on this is the game screen and everything you must know, because this is a very important screen that you must know that how this work. So this is a big column, every result, everything that will be shown here. Now it's reset because I just press reset, so the game is reset just like that. Alright, so because simple game only requires 6 number, and that is why that we only have 6 number for you to press and put it in, and you won't mix up with others number. So after you put the number in, you will see, alright, after you press start, you will see, yep, there is the notice coming out. So whoever have early access, you might know that the requirement is 80 games. We try our best and our team possibly to make it down to 38. And why this 28? Because I'm on membership profile, then that is make me only require 28 games data or more. If you are non-member, you need a 38 games data and above, but that is a huge improvement because from previous is 80 game, it's 0. So you might run about half an hour to just grab the data and to start your game. Alright, so the next thing I will show you is to try to get into the requirement 28 and then start the game and show you the game menu actually. Alright, so just alright, let's get into it. It's not responding, I'm not sure why, but that is something funny. Alright, this is moving. Alright, it's moving. Okay, we are almost there. Until 28, we are almost there. So from your understanding, this is the most important screen because every game, every data, everything that will be shown on this screen. And this is the screen that you want to understand every single details of that, like all kind of the column here is stand for what, is then what kind of things that they will pop up. So I will just show you. since this introduction, we doesn't have any real game that is not rushing us to press another next game details whatsoever. So I have more time to explain to you that, but hopefully that you won't think the video is too long, because introduction we have taught everything in clearly and with a full understanding. So you won't miss out any details that when you use the apps in the real time and the real casino that you are using into. Alright, so we are reached the mark 28. After we reach the mark 28, yep, then we just press EdgeDice. Yep, I know. Alright, let's press EdgeDice, then the game menu will pop up. Here you can choose what kind of game, which game you want to play into. Usually we show that is showing 7 round, and others is like the membership mode, 7 round, 6 round, 5 round, 4 round, and 3 round. After this one, we will have premium membership. That is more credits, but that is give you of 1 day 7 round. What's that mean? 1 day 7 round is unlimited time to use in 1 day. Every time they give you a 7 round game, so you just play as much as you like in 1 day actually. So if you wish to play 6 round, 5 round, then you have to give more credit, but that is everything in 24 hours. It's considered 1 day. Alright, so that is a 3 mode: starter game mode, membership mode, premium membership. So the starter mode is what you can access if you are just a free user, not a membership. There is 2 credit for 1 percentage number, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the showing mode, that is the one you wish to play into. And I just have a little bit explain what is a percentage number. Let's try one and let's see what is happen. Alright, so yep, we start the game with this 2 credit. Okay, we will get a screen of this. Let's see. Here we have 16%, and then here we got 2. So what does that mean? 2 means the number of the dice. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is equally to the percentage. So let's try another one. We just put on this one, and yep, we will unlock others as well. So you can see 6 is the most percentage we have, because I think I put a lot of 6, but that is not the calculation correctly in the system. If you put everything based on the real result you put it in, the percentage will be different and they will show more accurate. So the top here will show the number, and that doesn't have 1, because 1 is a blank, so it doesn't have 1. So if you want to know more about this, you have to try and use the function, but this function just gives you the percentage of each of the number, and you go and decide. Let's say if that is the real possibility on the 6 and number 3, then you can just guess it. It's like big on the game, because 6 equally you gain more on the big, and number 3, unless it's 1, 3, 6, that is small, other than any combination 6 and 3, that will make you a big. So that is a percentage how it's work. But in real game result, the percentage might show differently. That is how you need to do some calculation. If you just go into this mode, the showing 7 round like usually we use, and we play on the real-time casino. That's yep, they will start the game. After start the game, we have to put another result. After we put a result, we have to start, and then there is skip. So we just we just pretend there is some numbering. Let's see what it will come out. Alright, so 7 round game start, and then they show you to bet on number 4, and here you can notice that 4R, 5R, 6R, and then 7R. What's that mean? Actually it's 7 round, 6 round, 5 round, and 4 round. Let's just mix it. I'm not try to hit number 4 and what is going to happen. Alright, you can see the result. I asked you to bet on number 6, but here is remain on 6 round left, and then the rate turn from 7 to 6, and that means you left 6 round. Let's try to not hit 6 again, and let's see. And yep, there is number 5, and the red will move on again. Oops. Alright, so you will see the result will keep on moving every time. That's the remain to remind you that how many rounds remaining, and you have to play on how many bets, because each bet is different, so you might need to track which round you are playing now. So yep, we will end this one, because this one only can use during the real game, and that is really proven in the previous game. I have broadcast and live cast on the last few video I have made. And yep, the win and the result will change to win. So that is how you use this screen. And next we move to profile. Alright, we go to profile. You can see username. That is my username, and this is my display name. It's totally different, but actually slightly different, but for the security reason, just not to show everybody that your username, so people are unable to hack your ID, because display name is totally different name. You can put it in, and a date of birth, sex, country, and the email address. And let's see, that is the membership I have. So I'm currently on membership number 3. And super speed timer, this is add-ons things, and then level and the experience. These two option you only can unlock until a next level on the membership. And I wish to show you that is this one, the Markut profile. So this is the Markut profile. Most of people asking us how to set it up and how to set it correctly. So I just press and let you guys have a look that this is the Markut profile. First, I set it on M88. That's the game I wish to play. You can set M88 or M88.com. It's the same. So after that, there's the details, and I just set 18 because I used to play the game, and the game number is 18. So I just put 18, and then I play with Malaysia ringgit, and the score is 0. Alright. So let's try to add one new for you guys to see. So the first one, we just put m88.com, and this one it is 18. So this table of 17, because there is only 17 and 18. So the currency, you can choose what currency you wish to play. I just choose Malaysia ringgit. Okay, after that, just press add, and you will have that. And you must make sure that you choose the correct profile, because from now, if you go back here, yep, you can see it's still M88 is the old profile. You must go to the new profile and press select, and the check will turn into this one. Yep, so after that, you go into your game screen, you will see that yep, you change your profile. So make sure every time you swap to another new game, new casino, whatsoever, you must change the profile as well. Otherwise, there is an error calculation from the server. So next, we move on to the menu, and let's see what the menu we have. We have EdgedDice game screen. Profile is the same profile. Friend list. Friend list, we will have a friend list, and this is my friend list ID. If you wish to, you can add me. That will give you some bonus point and credit into your account. We move on to another one. Change password. There's nothing new. Just try to change your password if you wish to change a new one. Alright, we talk about EdgedDice purchase store, and let's go into it and look. Okay, first you can see anything that you wish to purchase is like how many USD, you can purchase how many credits. But the most important and most interesting purchase that I can show you, there is a few. So you make sure that the peak credits and the max credit is different, so you must understand them to purchase, and the price also differently. So after the max credit, we will go to activate EdgedDice membership. So you must understand this is membership of 0. 0 means this is for 1 day play. So one day play is a one-day membership, but that's also mean that as long you buy it and it's enough for you to win back just one game play, because usually we play on 10 USD. You have this membership, you can enjoy 24-hour, but you just win one game, you will get your 8.88 USD back, and further you can enjoy the game. After this one, we have the membership one. This is the membership one, and you can see membership 188 actually one year offer to 188 user, and then following on others category, the price will be add on another 100 USD. So what that's mean unlock if you get membership? If you have a membership one, you will unlock showing mode 6 and 7, and then you will add another 360 max credit to your account. And then if you purchase this package, you just need to play 5 hours from the game, you will get a return. And you wish to refund because you're not satisfied with this purchase with this membership, you can request the refund, and our team will refund the amount to you. And that's it. That's how you try the membership out, and you feel the membership not correct, maybe it's not right, maybe it's you don't like, or maybe any reason that you come out, or without a reason you can request a refund, but the timeline is 7 days. So the requirement game become 28 because we reduce to 38. You can save 10 game on the data that you try to collect. So if first 188 user purchase this package, then the next 700 user you have to purchase 100 USD extra and get exactly the same thing. So after this category, you move on another category, you have to pay $200 extra, and move on until the original price. So this is our original price, and yep, 888.88 USD to activate the membership original. This is our original price. So the on top of others package and the price that you might think is cheap, actually is the promotion price for the first batch, second and third, and first come first serve. So move on to other thing that, and yep, every time we will show what you need to do to get the return of this amount you are paying. Let's say if you pay 888.88 USD, you just need to play 1 full weeks and you will get back this amount, 888.88 cents, because 1 full weeks, and after the calculation you will gain back like 900 USD and more. So after the first week, the second week, third week, fourth week, every time that you use, then that is your additional gain. Alright, so this is the category of refund and deactivate EdgeDice membership 1. So you must notice that the refund only entitled for membership 1. Other than membership 1, there is no refund option, because you must become a membership 1, only you can go to others membership. And the membership 0 is for 1 day, there is no refund, because just the 1 day try and you can try it out. So the refund progress, everything is there, you just have to read the term and condition to make sure everything is correct. Just make sure the time is in 7 days, just press the button and follow the instruction there, you will get your refund. So if you want to upgrade your membership, you can upgrade to membership 2, but before that you must get a membership 1, and then you have to pay additional 588 to get a membership 2, but you will get other some very good offer from membership. You will unlock showing mood 4 and 5, and the membership 3 is the current membership I have in the category. And yep, I have showing mood 3, so next time I might show you, and then the timer will be speed up to 30 seconds. The membership 2 will speed up to 50 seconds, and you will get others additional things that they mentioned here. Alright, so move on to other thing that the membership 5. After membership 3, there is no membership 4. We direct jump to membership 5. If you call the membership 5, you will unlock the unlimited membership showing modes and also the level system. That is very interesting, but we're not going to show today because membership 5 is kind of legend membership we having it yet. If you wish to understand more membership things and the refunding, you can just go into here. Here will show you all the membership things and then everything that you need to know from the membership. Just come in here, just have a slightly know that what is it inside. So membership details and benefits that reduce the game requirement. So you can see here previously is from 50, I'm not sure, but I think should be 50 or 80, but alright, yeah, if you are membership is from 50 down to 28. If you are not membership is from 80 down to 38. That's a huge jump. Yep, yeah, here only for membership and others thing that you will get, and also the super speed timer, everything. So you need to know, you have to go into here and have a look, and we just go back to the purchase store and explain others purchase. Is there a problem? Alright, so we're back to the purchase store. We are going back to the same category that we have a look. Okay, after the membership upgrade and the membership details, we will go into a different category. Let's talk about let's see what is it first. Alright, so after this one is the super speed timer. Basically is the timer that give you free credit, well, times 2 for 1 day, 3 days, 7 days and 30 days. So it depends on your need, and if you wish to have increase your free credit from timer, just purchase this one, or you can times 3. Actually it's up to you which one you want to choose, and you can purchase that. After the super speed timer, we will have this is very interesting that we just recently added in. Actually it's in our plan for a long time, but we doesn't put it in the apps yet until the apps actually launch. But since there is 1 month later, the apps will be launched, so we can put this on earlier testing. So everyone, whoever bought this one, you can get the lose guarantee 100 times back. So what's that mean? Is that mean you just pay 10.88 USD, and we use the 10 times 100 times and equal to $1,000, and the insurance game for 1 day. So let's say if today I want to do a broadcast and I want to show everybody how the apps is awesome, I mean how awesome the game is, how the game win each of the game, and suddenly you lose the game, and unfortunately, if you doesn't bought this, you are not entitled. But if you are so luckily that you bought this, you will entitled 1,000 USD on that day with the broadcast of the live cast. Alright, this is for live stream only. So whoever want to buy this, you must make sure that you are doing the live stream on that day, not to waste this one, because this one is considered insurance game mode. After you have this one, you will get, let's say if you wish to have 10,000 in 1 day, just bought this one with $100 and you are good to go. Just need to have a live stream, and if you lose a game and you get 10,000 from us. That means if you win from the casino, that you will get the money from your bet. Unfortunately, if you lose from the casino but you bought this one from us, then you will get the money from us. That means it's like sure win-win insurance that you will have. Is I don't think anyone or any company that can offer this kind of insurance, because when you play a live casino, when you lose, you just lose everything that you bet on that table, but you just got a 10,000 to your pockets just because you lose a game and you got it in your pockets. And of course, there is a term and condition. Please make sure that you read the term and condition on this one before you bought any insurance, to ensure that there is no any miscommunication and then no any misunderstanding on the insurance mode that we're offering. And that, yep, every time you purchase for 1 day, so make sure that you do that things on that day, not the next day. So other that the purchase store, we have remove apps, but it's coming soon. So that means doesn't have it yet. Alright, so the special thing is Edgedapp hourly special. What's that mean? It's something like package will give you a random item list on here. You just pay $18 $1, and you will get a chance to grab any of this in randomly, and let's see how lucky you can grab. And you can compare the price from here and the top, because everything here is in the App Store as well. So, and then goes on, there is a small package, and then a medium and a huge package, and other thing. So if you get the apps, you can go into the purchase store, and you can explore and to understand every of the purchase. Other than that, the purchase store we talk about is and from there we will go into a share to friend and invitation. So after we go into here, you can see a friend code and a promo code. If you have it, you just put it here. If you got it right, you will see user friend code will earn 60 paid credit and also 5 max credit. So it's very good. If you have a lot of friend code, you just put in. You might get everything that you don't need to pay to, but you will get everything in free. So of course, you get my code, you will get better, because membership friend code will earn you 360 paid credits and also 30 max credits. And a promotion code that we might give on our channel, our Facebook, and more. If you wish to share to your friend, here is the option that you can share to your friend, to share the apps to your friend, to Facebook, to WhatsApp, to Twitter that you wish to. And you think the apps is good, please rate us and give whatsoever that you wish to do for the feedback and your review. Alright, we move on the next one. After the share to the friend invitation, we next is the news and update. So news and update is talk about the apps news and the updates that you can see. So we not go further there, because you can rate it when you get the apps. So introduce and help, we are doing it now, and then everything here I think is a little bit outdated, but you can read through, because we are update so fast everything, and we are able to do so many things in one day, because we have a lot of things. And yep, you can see EdgedDice server requirement of minimum 50 game data to begin and perform the calculation. That means that we put it to become 28, 38 is very good amount that you can save a lot of time to collecting the data. And please make sure that you cannot exceed 300 game. If you exceed 300 game, you just reset the game and you just go on again. So after this one, introduction video, I will put this one to make sure everybody have a read, have a watch to understand the apps by video and by someone walk through it. So the next one is a term and condition. Everyone must understand the term and condition before you register, because once you register, you agree to the term and condition. So make sure you have a rope, and you must oops, I did a screen problem. You must read the term and condition to understand every of them, every term of them, make sure everything is correct and you are follow the term and condition. So the next one is about EdgedDice, everything about EdgedDice. Yep, so the history of the EdgedDice, and of course there is the contact, and you understand some and just give a rate of this. And yep, that's how it's show. Contact and support. Inside you can see how to contact us and support, and you can email us with this button here, the email button, and maybe you can browse into our website if you need anything that. So after that is a donation to EdgedDice. If you wish to make a donation, just press this button, and yep, you can donate any amount you wish to donate. Or if you wish to join our team or do anything to contribution, you can email us and tell us that you have a good offer or something else whatsoever. After that, yep, after the donation we have EdgedDice free credit and reward credit. So what it did actually here, we will have a lot of free credits. So you just make sure that you press one of them, so you will get the advertisement pop up, but you will get the credit in return. So just try it out and get some free credit to add, but just leave it. Alright, so after this one there is a logout. I think I'm going to show everybody because I thought I'll just log out. And then below we have a coming soon function. We have a reward and achievement, we have scoreboards, we have live stream, we have chat room, we have setting, but all is coming soon. That means our team is not trying to develop it yet now, but we will do it on the future and the new updates on the next. Alright, so I think that's it. That's most of time to explain everything in our apps. So just go back to the game screen, and yep, see you guys next time.